Hey guys, welcome back. Got another ROM to show you on my Samsung Galaxy S4, the international version, the i9505. This one is the Pac-Man ROM. So the PAC comes from Paranoid Android is the P, A is the AOKP, being the sort of open source Android project. Where do I go to? The C is for CyanogenMod. So I think they've basically taken bits from each, thrown it all together to produce this Pac-Man ROM. I'll show you a couple of things that I like before we get started when it's finished booting. I mean, it's nice and slick, I can tell you that much straight away. Now, you might notice I've got no notification bar at this point. It's a very plain looking home screen that I've got. But what I use is on the side is a ribbon. If I can get it to work, there we go. So all my common apps are in a ribbon there on the side, and my notifications, if I have any, appear in this little ball at the side. Both are quite customizable. So let's show you a little bit about what's in the ROM. I can get my notification bar. Oh, why is it not actually? There we go. Settings. So we get the regular system settings here, like you would with pretty much any ROM. But slide it sideways and we get the Pac-Man settings. Pac-Man in black. If I turn that, oh, there's a notification coming in, I think. Yep, Twitter suggestions. So you can see it says I've got 3 notifications. Oh, now I've got 1 notification. Basically I drag it out sideways, and if there was more than one, as I keep dragging, oh, so now I've got new messages, Twitter, new messages. If I release on one of them, I've still got the settings behind, but I've got the emails showing up in the front there. Anyway, I'm kind of jumping about a little bit. So I've turned off the black and it's kind of got the usual sort of slightly graded, I don't know how you can see that background. I'm going to turn it back on again, perhaps see if you notice the colours change. So what do you see it went totally black? So let's have a look. Pac-Man ROM settings. So you can check for OTA updates, current ROM, build available. As you can see, those are identical. I just updated it to the latest. So you can make it download it from here. It downloaded for me. It didn't light up the flash upgrade bit because I'd come out of this. So even when it said download ready and I hit it, it tried to open it in some video file. But it did download it to downloads Pac or Pac-Man or something on my SD card, so I just booted into recovery and flashed it kind of manually. Themes. Unfortunately, theme chooser stopped. Okay, that's not so good. Let's go back into settings. There's only one there. Let's try once more. It did work on the last. Okay, so maybe it's the newest. Maybe it's the newest update. It's done that. I'm going the other way into settings using my ribbon. Okay, like I said, there's only one theme, let's not worry about that. Home screen takes me to Nova settings, you don't really see that. Hybrid properties. So, I've got it on stock UI, but you can change, well, we'll try. So we'll go to tablet UI, and it adjusts the DPI for different things. So I'm going to say go ahead and do it. I hope it doesn't break. I hope it doesn't break my phone. So you see now I've got the nav bar on the bottom, kind of like a tablet would, including the actual, you know, the soft buttons. It's a little odd. I like the RAM bar on the top. I'm not even sure what that is at the side. Why do they rotate around what shows? I don't understand it. Anyway, so that's one way you can have the settings. Let's bring settings back again. So I had them as stock, which will switch things back round again, put the navigation bar back at the top, although mine's hidden at the moment so you won't see it. Let's come back out. What else have we got? General user interface. You can have custom carrier. Don't know that I'm going to be able to. There we go. So it says at the bottom there, and is S4. It also tells me what Wi-Fi network I'm connected to the bottom. That's quite cool. I'm not going to go, there are so many options, I'm not going to go through all of them. I like this one, wake up on charger. I hate when I plug my charger in or plug it into my car dock that it automatically turns it on. It can be quite annoying sometimes, or more importantly when I take it out and it turns it on. I've got my handle over the screen, I just put it out and it turns it on, and all of a sudden I'm moving widgets around. So I like that I can turn off that it doesn't wake up. I mean, just get a quick look at the amount of different options within the Pac-Man that you can do, and this is why I'm not going to go through all of them, just because it would take such a long time basically. Although it's a bit where it says show Wi-Fi name, show in drawer. What I will show you, so Halo is this little thing, the notification thing on the side there. You can have custom colours, so I can have it a slightly darker blue, I can have it red if I want it to match my theme. It will come back in a short while. You can have it automatically kind of, so let's have Halo will appear for incoming tasks and scroll out of sight after a while. So there he goes. I presume I can still, yes, I can still it goes a bit further. That's good. You don't want it too much in the way. We don't want the custom colours. So yeah, I really like the Halo. That's very good. You can have Pi. I've got it turned off, but this is the one where you basically you come in from the bottom. I'll show you. Look, normal. I don't know how quickly it's going to update to know that I'm using Pi. Come on. Maybe it won't. Come on, play ball. Oh, this is annoying then. Maybe I did it wrong. It should basically bring up a kind of a pie charted sort of soft buttons. Obviously I don't need the soft buttons because I've got the hard buttons down the bottom. Oh, did it on the side, sorry. So let's go back to settings. System settings. So that was my mistake. I'd obviously set Pi gravity. So if I say bottom, look, then come back out. And back to where I was 2 minutes ago. It's not still over. Oh, why is it still over there? Anyway, that's the Pi. We don't need it. Just so you could see it. Now just turn it back off again. Come on. Let's go back in. I think that might have been interfering with my ribbon. So Pi, trigger area, none. You're out of here. And then the other one is the ribbons. That's the thing that I go on the side here. You get a variety of different ribbons. I'm not sure what the notification ribbon is just yet, or the quick settings, but for example the right swipe ribbon, I set all the different apps that I want there. If I make drag handle a pasty, you see that's the drag handle at the side. You can make that a different lengths. You can change the thickness and the opacity of the swipe ribbon. So let's just turn that down again, hit save. Oh, there we go. So that's quite nice. Oh, it was there twice, I think then. Obviously from there you open up your apps. Why do I keep seeing two of them? Not quite sure. Yeah, definitely there's a two appearing. Okay, I'm not sure what I've done to do that. That's not how it should be, obviously. So, I think those are the bulk of the main things. Power menu, so when you hold down the power button, what different options do you want? That's what you set them here. There are just so many. It's a little overwhelming at first, I suppose, but when you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. It's probably the most customizable ROM that I've seen. I don't know why I'm getting two different. I'll have a look at that later. I must have changed something by mistake. There you go. So Pac-Man ROM on the Galaxy S4 i9 505. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.